Welcome to my Shopify store review. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can able to create your own Shopify store on Shopify, guys. Okay, but first of all, if you want to get an access to Shopify, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video so that you can able to get started for free using Shopify. So as you can see that I've inside the members area of Shopify. So what you can do here on Shopify, guys, okay, and orders, this is whereby that you can able to see how many orders that you got on your Shopify store and also how many returns that you have. So when you click there on products, so under products, this is whereby that you can able to upload your own product here on Shopify. As you can see that you can just click here to add a product, or you can click here to import a product. If you already have a store, you can just upload it here on Shopify. Okay, I'm just gonna click here to add a product. So when you click here to add a product, this is whereby that you can able to name the title of your product. Maybe what the product is all about. You have to put a title here. You can see that t-shirt. Okay, you can also write a description, and that's what I like about this Shopify. It has an AI tool that allows you to write a description of your product that you want to sell. Okay, when I click here generate, you have to put a keyword that this AI tool is gonna write a product description about your product, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna put a keyword here, t-shirt for men. I'm gonna click here to generate. What's gonna happen now, this AI tool is gonna write a product description for me automatically. As you can see that the high quality t-shirt for men is expected drafted to provide style. As you can see that it is high quality product description. You can just write it again if you want to make a product description to be long, guys. Okay, you can do that. You can also go to images. So under images, this is where you can able to upload an image on a laptop, or on a PC, so that your customers can see what is your product is all about, how the product looks like. Okay, you can also go to categories. Under categories, this is whereby you can able to check. You can able to choose any category that you want for your product, guys. Okay, you can also put the prices here. So for under prices, you can just put the price that you want to sell the product. You can also put the compare price, like for your customer, so for your competitors pricing. You can also put the cost per item, like how much is costing you to purchase this product, maybe for AliExpress, for any supplier, guys. Okay, just put the price, the cost. You see the profit here, you see the profit margins, guys. Okay, and also you can also check track, just leave a default, like track quantity, just leave it default like that. You can also put the kg weight of your product, like if you know all of those things, guys. Okay, so after you are done that, you can just click here and save it. I'm just showing you all of these tutorial videos, guys, again, how you can do all of that. Okay, you can also go to collection. So under collection, this is whereby you can able to add you can able to add create a new collection of your Shopify store. You can check all of these things here. You can click here to create a collection, or what you can do, guys, you can also go to customers. You will see the list of your customers that you have. Okay, you can also import your customers here, guys. Okay, all of those things you can do here on Shopify, guys. As you can see, it is so easy. You can do this, guys. Okay, there is no problem about this. And also what you can do here, you can also go to analytics. So under analytics, this is whereby you can able to see like how many sellers that you have on a specific day, or on a specific month, or on a specific week. You can check by this the online store sessions, like how many visitors that you have on your store right now. You can also check the online store's conversion rate, like if your store is getting 10% conversion rate, mean that your store it is performing very, very well, guys. Okay, you can also see the top selling products. If you have multiple products on your Shopify store, you can see all of those things here under analytics. Okay, you can also go to this marketing, so you can also send email follow-ups on people that abandoned the checkout. For customers that they didn't buy but they went through the checkout, you can also send some emails follow-up so that they can able to buy through via emails, guys. Okay, so that you can able to increase the conversion rate of your Shopify store, guys. Okay, what you can do here, guys, you can also offer some discounts. Some discounts. Okay, people, they love discounts. It's gonna increase the number of sellers that you're able to get in a Shopify store. If you can offer 10% discounts, if you can offer 20% discounts, it's gonna be very, very good for customers, to buy from you guys. Okay, you can also go to online store, you can also go to theme. So what I like about this is that Shopify, they're giving you all of these done for you stores, done for you themes that you can just import them right away on your Shopify store, guys. Okay, so you can take a look of this. Just take a look at these stores. Look at this. If you're in a beauty, there are some stores here. If you're on, maybe want to sell clothes, like t-shirts, okay. Look, there are so many stores here, guys. Okay, on Shopify, you can just import them through your Shopify store, guys. Okay, when I click here, it's gonna take me to this store. It's gonna load it up, okay. And also what you can do here, you can just do some customizations. You can also change the colors here, you can also change the fonts, all of those stuff. Okay, you can also upload your own images here. They're giving you some customization, guys. Okay, so that you can be familiar on how your store can look like when it is done, guys. Okay, you can also change the prices, the currencies, all of those stuff. You can also change the logos here, everything. You can just monetize it, customize it the way that you want your store to look like, guys. Okay, and also what you can do, you can also change these colors here, all of those things, guys. You can do some customization. All of these, when you scroll down, you can delete, you can customize the way that you want. Okay, now when you click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video, it's going to take you to this page. This is whereby that you can able to get started for free using Shopify only for $1, guys. Okay, as you can see, I'm not going to go through all of these pricing plans, guys. Okay, but if you're not getting access to Shopify, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. It's going to take you to this page. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below in the comment sections. I'm going to get back to you as soon as I can, guys. Take care and may God bless you. Good luck. Shop, guys.